It's crucial to have the right training and education from a reputable institution if you want to pursue a career in HVAC engineering. A number of HVAC engineering institutes are located on SP Road in Bangalore, with Cherry Institute being among the top in the region. The institute provides instruction on the foundations of HVAC engineering, covering heating, ventilation, and air conditioning systems. The real-time training method used by Cherry Institute is renowned for giving students the opportunity to deal with HVAC systems firsthand. A group of knowledgeable instructors at the institute provide each student individualized attention and make sure they fully grasp the concepts. The instructors help the students develop the practical abilities needed for a successful career in HVAC engineering.